True or false? Can I get an STD from using the same laundry dryer? Hello and welcome. You're about to watch a video that comes straight from the heart of a wise older scientist who prefers to stay behind the scenes. He's a bit shy on camera and likes to joke that he's much better at science than at being a presenter. So he asked me, an AI host, to share his carefully crafted insights with you. There's a lot of wisdom and care behind these videos, so we hope you'll enjoy and maybe think of it as a little gift from someone who just wants to share what he knows. Thanks for being kind and for supporting our channel. It's one of those questions that makes people uncomfortable, but also curious. Can you really catch an STD from using the same laundry dryer as someone else? At first glance, it sounds scary. After all, sexually transmitted infections like chlamydia, gonorrhea, herpes, and HIV are caused by bacteria or viruses, and clothes come into close contact with the body. So could they spread this way? Here's the reassuring truth. STDs don't survive well outside the body. Most bacteria and viruses that cause these infections need warm, moist environments to stay alive. The hot, dry conditions of a laundry dryer, or even the wash itself, are enough to kill them quickly. On top of that, transmission requires direct contact with mucous membranes, blood, or other body fluids. Simply touching or wearing washed clothing won't provide the conditions needed for infection. There are a few germs, like fungi or certain skin bacteria, that can occasionally linger on damp fabric. But classic STDs, they don't spread through shared dryers. So, true or false? False. You can't get an STD from using the same laundry dryer. Your laundry may shrink your clothes, but it won't give you chlamydia. Stay curious, but rest easy. Science shows that STDs spread through intimate contact, not household appliances.